guys, Stephanie with MarineMax here in St. Petersburg. I wanted to take a second to review this 2023 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Let's have a look inside. So here we are on the 2023 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. It's one of my absolute favorite boats. It's a perfect hybrid for fishing and those family days where you just want to entertain all day and maybe even hit the sandbar. So you'll see you've got plenty of seating back here. You've got a newly appointed seat with some storage, or you can use it as a cooler as well. You also have this big transom seat that folds in, so if you do have those fishing days, stows right away. You've got a ton of walking room out here. We've also got some rod holders lined up around back, and then we've got your live well. You've got your dive door here, and then we also have a ladder that is stowed away, actually just under the seat here. So massive dive door, really convenient for docking or pulling those fish in. You also have your seat over here, which is unique to the Vantage models. So you've got either a full day bed, or you can lounge facing aft or facing forward. You've got storage underneath both sides. And then up front, we've got plenty of forward-facing seating. So you've got kind of like a playpen situation here. This seat this cushion does remove, and you can pop your table up here. And then there's storage underneath everything, along with JL audio and USB charging stations to charge all of your electronics. So moving up to the bow, we've got your windlass and your beach boarding ladder combo. So in the past models, we either saw one or the other, so it's really nice to have the best of both worlds. We also have a forward shade extension that is optioned out on this boat in particular and can be added to any one that isn't. We also have a freshwater washdown on the bow. So finishing off at the helm, we've got your 12-inch Simrad, Ritchie compass, and then your vessel view. This boat is also equipped with the Mercury 300 Verados in white. You've got all of your switching, your Lenco trim tabs, your adjustable wheel, and then your JL audio. And then of course your joystick. So you've got the autopilot built into that, skyhook, you've got a docking feature on there as well. So again, my name is Stephanie, I'm at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Call me at 757-305-5851 to schedule an appointment for a viewing.